In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mobile view on Shopify for 2025. This updated guide will help ensure your store looks just right on mobile devices by making some simple adjustments. So let's dive in. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll want to log in and locate your store's homepage. Once you're in, the menu on the left side of the screen will be your guide. You're going to click on Online Store. This is where all your store's themes and customization options reside. After you've clicked on Online Store, you'll find a section labeled Themes. Here you'll see a Customize button, which is your gateway to editing how your store looks visually. Click on that button to proceed and it will take you into the theme editor. Within the theme editor, take a look at the top right corner. There's a mobile icon waiting for you. Click on it to switch your view to how your store appears on mobile devices. This view is crucial because sometimes what looks great on a desktop can be quite different on a phone. Now you have the ability to edit your mobile view directly. If you notice that an image doesn't quite fit or looks a little off, don't worry. You can go ahead and make adjustments here. It's all about ensuring a seamless and visually appealing experience for your customers. Sometimes you might need to adjust your images to fit them perfectly within the mobile view. For that, we're going to use Canva, a versatile design tool. Head over to Canva's website. Once you're in, locate the custom size button, which allows you to create a design with specific dimensions. In the custom size settings, start by entering your desired width. Type in 1024 for the width. Next, move on to the height and input 1024 for that as well. These dimensions are typically adequate for a balanced mobile view. Once you've input the dimensions, click on Create New Design. This will open up a blank canvas where you can design or resize your images. The next step is to paste the image you want to change. Once your image is on the canvas, fit it in a way that best represents your store's aesthetic. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button and then select Download. After your image is downloaded, head back over to Shopify. You can now upload this newly adjusted image to your store, fitting it perfectly within the mobile view. This completes the process of ensuring your store images are optimized for mobile devices. And there you have it, you've learned how to fix the mobile view on Shopify. With these steps, your online store will not only look great but will also provide a smooth, user-friendly experience for all mobile visitors. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.